Are you hard at work? Do you work all the time? You go to work in all circumstances? In the summer and extreme heat. In winter and heavy rain. Even in windy weather and during snowfall. It repeats over the years. After all that effort, the result is disappointing. And you can't make your dreams come true. Stop now. Change your life. Without giving up your job. Without investment. Without effort and mobility. Join the biggest project on the internet now. Join now before the official launch of the platform. Join before October 30th. Build a strong team and make your dreams come true. What are you waiting for? Join us now.